Okay, so we are going to start working in our module books today. We are in module 2, and this is page 30. So take a second, find your module books if you haven't found them yet. Turn to page 30. In the bottom corner, it looks like this, S.30. But I'm at the top of the page, so this is where I'm writing your page number. Page 30 on module 2. So we talked about the rule of the rule of subtraction in class, and it's written here again. The rule of subtraction means subtracting a number is the same as adding its additive inverse or opposite. And we had a shortcut that we were going to take when we were doing that. So we were going to keep, add, opposite. Okay, so using the subtraction rule rewritten, keep, add, opposite, let's look at exercise 1 here. Directions say using the rule of subtraction, rewrite the following subtraction sentences as addition sentences and solve. Use the number line below if needed. When they say subtraction sentences as addition sentences, they just mean rewrite the subtraction expressions here as addition expressions. So instead of 8 minus 2, we're going to write it as some kind of addition something. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to keep, add, opposite. So for A, we keep 8. We're going to add, and we're going to take the opposite of 2, which is negative 2. And then according to our rules of addition, and the rules of addition were I'm just going to write over here for same sign, add, keep, different sign, subtract, take the sign of the higher number. Okay, we went over this. This is all the stuff that we learned before. And now this sentence here, this expression is an addition sentence, so we're with different signs. So we're going to look at this over here. We're going to subtract the absolute values and then take the sign of the higher number. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and the higher number is 8, so our answer is 6 because 8 is positive. Okay, so let's look at B. So we've got 4. We're going to add. So we keep the 4, we add the opposite. The opposite of 9 is negative 9. And according to the rules of addition now, again, we have a different sign. So we subtract the absolute value. The absolute value of 4 is 4. The absolute value of negative 9 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And the higher number is 9. And our original 9 was negative. So our answer is negative 5. Next, negative 3 minus 7. We keep the negative 3. Change subtraction to addition. And we're going to add the opposite of 7 is negative 7. Now, according to our rules of attraction. Now, according to our rules of addition, we have the same signs here, negative 3 plus negative 7. So we add and we keep the same sign. Our answer, negative 10. Finally, negative 9 plus, keep the negative 9, change the minus to a plus. Opposite of negative 2 is 2. We have different signs again. So we're going to subtract the absolute values. 9 minus 2 is 7, and the higher number is negative 9. Our answer is negative 7. Okay, so now go ahead and pause the video and try number 2, find the differences. The differences mean what you get when you subtract. So different, just like sum is what you get when you add stuff, difference is what you get when you subtract something. So pause the video and try out A, B, and C. Okay, so we've got our subtraction problems here. Our shortcut is to keep, add, opposite. All right, so we're gonna keep the -2, change the minus to a plus. Opposite of -5 is 5. And we subtract the absolute values. 5 minus 2 is 3. And the higher number is 5, so our answer is positive 3. 11 minus 8, 11 plus opposite of -8 is, I'm sorry, this was 11 minus -8. We've got 11, we keep the 11, plus, change the minus to a plus, and opposite of -8 is 8. Our answer is 19. 11 plus 8 is 19. Now we've got -10 we keep, plus the opposite of -4 is 4. And we subtract the absolute values, so 10 minus 4 is 6. And the higher value here is, the higher number is -10, so our answer is going to be negative. And on the next page, I want you to do problem set, just the first question in the problem set. This problem set is on a number line. This question says on a number line, find the difference of each number and 4. So whatever number is here, the difference is subtraction of that number and 4. So in this first example, we have 10. So we're going to do 10 minus 4. And you're going to change it to an addition equation here. And you're going to get the answer.